Pampered Chef parties have always been an amazing way to get together with friends, learn new kitchen tips and recipes from your consultant, and discover products that save time in the kitchen. What if you could have all the fun and share exclusive savings with your friends? With shared rewards, you can. At this kind of party, everyone gets rewarded. The higher the party sales, the more everyone saves. So, everyone works together to get bigger savings. It's a great way to add products to your kitchen or find gifts, all with savings unique to this party. When you host a shared rewards party, you share the savings with your friends. And you get a few extra perks, including a discount you can use for a whole year. Shared rewards. The best things are worth sharing.